Introduce highlight features or overview summary about HXCOCKCROW, 150 pints commercial dehumidifier for basement with pump and drain hose. Maintaining a dry and comfortable environment in large spaces has never been easier thanks to the HXCOCKCROW commercial and industrial dehumidifier. This powerful unit is engineered to remove up to 150 pints of humidity per day at 95 degrees Fahrenheit and 90% relative humidity, or 70 pints according to AHAM standards, making it a highly effective solution for controlling moisture in expansive areas. Whether you are dealing with a basement, warehouse, garage, industrial facility, swimming pool, gallery, or areas affected by water damage, this dehumidifier provides reliable performance to protect both your property and contents. One of the standout features is its high airflow capacity. With a strong 230 cfm airflow, this dehumidifier rapidly dries large rooms, covering an area of up to 6,500 square feet. This capability ensures fast removal of excessive moisture, making it particularly valuable for flooded or damp spaces. Designed for convenience, the unit is equipped with an internal condensate pump and includes a 16.4-foot drain hose for continuous, upward water drainage, as well as a 3.3-foot gravity drain hose for shorter distance applications. Users are advised to obstruct the gravity hole when using the pump drainage to ensure optimal operation, and the maximum pump height should not exceed 16.4 feet. Ease of use is another priority. The intelligent touch control panel offers clear and straightforward functionality with a one-button on/off feature. It includes multiple modes to meet different needs and integrates humidity and temperature sensors, allowing users to set the desired humidity range between 30% and 80%. Additional features include a 24-hour timer, child lock safety setting, and convenient mobility options. The humanized design incorporates pull and push handles, recessed lifting handles, and 4 360-degree swivel casters, making it easy to move the unit even in larger spaces. Energy efficiency is enhanced with the innovative R32 dehumidification system, which not only improves humidity removal performance but also reduces electricity consumption, helping save on energy bills. With robust performance, intelligent controls, and thoughtful design, the HXCOCKCROW commercial dehumidifier is a dependable solution for keeping large spaces dry, safe, and comfortable. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.